In the first part of this module, we will look at the nature and scope of inheritance tax, the rate and identification and valuation of the deceased estate. In the second part, we will look at availability and application of exemptions and reliefs, the computation of inheritance tax, and the liability of trustees and representatives to inheritance tax. IHT is a tax on capital and is payable when the value of a person's estate, i.e. his capital, is reduced. This may occur either as a result of gifts made during a person's lifetime or upon his death. It may also occur on transfers into trusts. On death, as we shall see, the tax is payable on the value of the deceased's estate, i.e. the difference between assets and liabilities after the deduction of various reliefs and exemptions. This means that by careful estate planning, i.e. by transferring wealth to the next generation rather than to HMRC as efficiently as possible, IHT can be largely avoided in some cases. The main charging statute for IHT is the Inheritance Tax Act 1984, IHTA. The scope of inheritance tax. IHT is charged on individuals, including the personal representatives of the deceased. In general, IHT does not apply to companies.